All right, here we go. It's the grand finale of the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle that I just painted and did a extensive amount of, I got 40 hours in this car. Just gonna put it that way. That's about double what I agreed to put into it. Just needed to be done. And that's the problem with me. I'm a little OCD, but I do this to make money. So I took this project on as a side project around other projects, and it's okay. Everything's all right, and I'm sure my customer is going to be incredibly happy, because I would be. If I got this painted for double what they are paying me to do this, I would be happy with this. Let me show it to you. All right, so there you go. There's Volkswagen Aztec White. I break down my cut and buffs in 3 different stages. Okay? This thing got a stage 1 cut and buff, and that's standard on all my paint jobs. Now, the problem with a stage 1 is that it will remove dry spray and enhance the gloss there. It will remove dust nibs and that kind of thing, which is, well, what it's for. It will not remove severe orange peel. That's where we go into the 2-stage or the 3-stage. And that really changes the game. The cut and buff really makes the paint job. And while this thing is not perfect in any way, shape, or form, it really looks fantastic. I believe that anybody would be happy to own this car and happy to drive it around. And man, love bugs are ridiculous. You ever seen a love bug before? There they are. They're humping right now. Anyway, I got all up in the fuel door jam area. I got these jams done. I have a little foam situation. There's no seal around it, and so we'd be basically paint on paint. I don't want that, so I put that thing there. Got a little dust up on it, but that's it, man. That's it. This thing looks great. I'm happy. Customer's gonna be happy. And I mean, at the end of the day, that's what matters, right? It matters what the customer thinks. It matters, what whoever you're doing it for thinks. And I think he's going to be very happy. I'd be very happy with this paint job. Like I said, I'd be very happy with this paint job for double what I am charging him for it. So, if that says anything, because I literally did double the work. This is double the body work I promised him. Same paint job, double the body work. Sometimes that's how it goes. I showed you in an earlier part where I took my body working hammer and just tapped on a spot right here, and a golf ball sized nugget of Bondo fell out the inside. So I fixed that properly with fiberglass, then I body worked the outside of it. It's got some other issues that are pretty major. We can address them if they ever show their ugly faces in the future, with some blends and some this and that, and just little, little squirt would be good to go. But all in all, looks good. And this is the grand finale. So thank you guys for watching and being a part of all 5 parts to this Volkswagen Beetle. I mean, you can see some of the body work. It's wavy. This was like a washboard, and it does not look like that now. It looks presentable. Again, is it perfect? No. Because why? Perfection is not reality. And I'm in business to make money, and I'm not in the show car business unless you're willing to pony up the dough. I will spend the time if you want to spend the money. So, you know, I got 40 hours in this deal. And it's not perfect. I could probably spend 100 hours on this car and get it really, really close to being amazing. But it's a good driver, man. This is the paint looks good. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this color because when I got the car, the factory color looked much more yellow, like this dash. But I think it's just because it's old. This color looks awesome. I really dig the white. Just very, very slight, like eggshell almond to it. But she looks good, man. I'm happy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. If you need something painted, 813-846-4406. Every situation is different. There is no paint job that is just like the one after it unless you're in a production environment, which I am not. I am a custom bodywork and painter. I do custom work. I do not do high production work. Everything I do is going to be better than, you know, your random body shop, your insurance work. They use the cheapest materials they can to get you to pre-accident condition. I do not use cheap materials. I use the good stuff. On jobs like this, I only use high solids clear. I want it to last. I want it to look its best. And that's it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you that take the time to listen to me babble. Rapid Ride Rehab is the name of my company. If you need me, I'm Garry Dean. My cell phone number that I've mentioned many times already is 813-846-4406. Let me know if I can do something custom for you. Not just auto body and paint. I do metal fabrication, full-blown detailing, ceramic coating, polishing, oxidation removal. I detail auto, boat, RV, motorcycle. I also paint all of the above. I do spray and bed liners, parts, and I work on fender benders to full-on custom resprays. I do restoration work. Anything you need, basically. We talk about it. We'll talk about your project. We'll put a plan together, and as long as your expectation aligns with your budget, we're gonna have no problem at all. I always do my best to give you just a little bit more than you pay for every single time. As you can see in this job right here, that body work was not the plan, but I had to do it because, well, my name's on the deal. So it is what it is. Let me know if you need me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. All right, I set this up on the tripod to do a customer reaction video. I got the 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle done and just chilling here. I'm gonna go outside via the pedestrian door. I'm gonna open up the shop door whenever we're all ready, and you'll get to see the reaction. So come over here, come on, come on. So there's no gasket in there, and I didn't want it to be paint on paint, so I put that towel there, and there's a little thing in the front too. Come on in, check it out.
Oh, look at that.
It come a long way.